We've covered safety procedures for people and equipment. Now we turn to the environment itself. Objective 4.5 is all about managing the space your IT equipment lives in, handling hazardous materials, controlling the climate, and managing power. First, let's talk about the MSDS, or Material Safety Data Sheet. You might also see it called the SDS, or Safety Data Sheet. They are exactly the same thing. Mandated by OSHA, this document is your cookbook and first aid manual for hazardous items like toner and batteries. It tells you exactly what is in the product and how to safely handle a spill or fire. When you are done with these items, you can't just throw them in the trash. Batteries and toner cartridges must be recycled or disposed of at designated hazardous waste facilities. Many manufacturers include return labels right in the box to make this easy. Next, we have environmental controls. Computers generate heat, so temperature control is obvious. But humidity is a balancing act. Too low and you risk static shock. Too high and you risk condensation or corrosion. The target Goldilocks zone is around 50% humidity. For dust, keep the area ventilated. If a PC is clogged with dust, take it outside and use compressed air. Never use a standard vacuum inside a case, as it generates static. Finally, let's talk about power. We face surges, sags, and outages. A UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, uses a battery to keep systems running during an outage. There are three types: standby, which switches over when power fails; line interactive, which fixes voltage drops; and online, where the device runs off the battery 100% of the time for zero delay. If you don't need battery backup, you still need a surge suppressor. This absorbs voltage spikes. When buying one, look for three numbers. A high Joule rating, over 600 is best, a high amp rating, and a low voltage let-through rating. Remember, lower let-through leads to longer life. Ideally, you want 330 volts or less. To summarize, read the MSDS for hazards. Keep humidity around 50%. Use a UPS for backup power, and choose a surge suppressor with a high Joule rating and low let-through voltage.